Hi there everyone, welcome back again to iPad Essential. In this video, I'll be talking about how you can transfer your data. Let's say you have something in your iPad to your Apple MacBook or even Apple computer. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so here you can see my iPad screen and I would like to share this file to my Mac. Okay, all we need to do here is we need to click on the share button and click on AirDrop. Now you should see your Apple computer. In case you are not seeing it, then make sure that you are connected to the same network. So here both my iPad as well as my Apple computer is connected to the same Wi-Fi router. Now all I need to do is I need to click on my name and there we go. So here we can see how fast it is, and then this file went to my Apple device. And this can go opposite way as well. So let's say I am selecting this file and then I want to share this file with my iPad. All I need to do is I need to click on share and then I'm gonna go AirDrop, and here I can see my iPad. Let me click on it and there we go. We can see we have completed this file, and the process will be more seamless if you are using same ID in all your devices, and they're gonna give you even more benefits. So that's how guys we can easily share data from our iPad to Apple computer and vice versa. And that's all guys from my side in this video. I hope that you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please do like and subscribe to iPad Essential as we keep on bringing videos and tutorial related to iPad productivity, and I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.